Lysol Disinfectant Spray. How and where to use Lysol Disinfectant Spray. 99.9% of viruses and bacteria protection from germs. Be sure to disinfect frequently touched areas, such as light switches, door handles, kitchen counters, fridge and microwave handles, remotes and more. Fold the can upright 6 to 8 inches from the surface and spray for 3 to 4 seconds until covered. Let surface remain wet for 3 minutes to disinfect. Apply to items that can bring germs into your home, such as shoes, backpacks, coats, and packages. Also used on soft surfaces such as couches, pillows, and mattresses. The fabric must remain wet for 10 minutes. Then allow to air dry. Protect you and your family from viruses and bacteria daily with Lysol Disinfectant Spray. Lysol, what it takes to protect.